Good morning, children. Today we are going to do question answer of Unit 9, the magic porridge pot. What we are going to do? Question answer of magic porridge pot. Answer the following question. Where did Tara go one day? Where did Tara go one day? एक दिन तारा कहाँ गई थी? तारा went to the forest one day. तारा कहाँ गई थी? फॉरेस्ट में. So what is the answer, children? तारा went to the forest one day. Question 2. What did the old woman give तारा? अभी जब तारा फॉरेस्ट में गई थी, स्टोरी आपको याद है ना मैजिक पॉरेज पॉट की, कि तारा बहुत ही गरीब थी, वो उसके मम्मी के साथ रहती थी, और जब वो तारा फॉरेस्ट में गई तभी उसे एक बूढ़ी औरत मिली. शी मेट एन ओल्ड वुमन. दैट ओल्ड वुमन गेव अ पॉट टू तारा. नाउ दैट पॉट वॉज वॉट? अ मैजिकल पॉट. इट वॉज अ मैजिक पॉट. इन दैट पॉट what it was cooked? Porridge. But before cooking there were magic words so that the pot can cook porridge. So what was the magic word? It said cook pot cook. The magic word was what for Tara when she wanted to cook the porridge? It says cook pot cook. So Tara took that pot and she went back to her house, back to her home. She told everything to her mama. Her mom, her mommy, she was also too much excited. She was also too much happy. So Tara and her mother, they were feeling hungry. So they decided to have porridge from that pot. So what happened, children? Tara told the pot to pot cook. So it started cooking porridge. And if you want to stop the pot from cooking porridge, there were another words to stop cooking the porridge from the pot. It says stop pot stop. So when the pot started cooking, it was enough for Tara and her mother, and the pot, Tara told the pot to stop. So what she said? Stop pot stop, and the pot stopped cooking. Okay, children. So now what happened one day? One day Tara went out for some work. Tara's mother was feeling hungry. उसे भूख लगी थी. So what she did? She knew what to say. So she said cook pot cook. The porridge started cooking. Now what happened? Tara's mother forgot the magic word. She forgot the magic word. From that the pot stopped cooking. So what she said? She said do not cook pot. उसने क्या कहा? तारा की मम्मी ने, मदर ने, do not cook pot. अभी do not cook pot, तो वो pot की तो मैजिक वर्ड्स थे ही नहीं, राइट? वो बर्तन के, तो वो तो पकता ही गया. It started cooking only. It started filling her house with full porridge. Then it went to the road. It went into the villages. When Tara came back, she saw the scene. What did she see? She saw that the full road and everything was filled up with porridge. Tara ran home as fast as she could. And then she said the magic word, stop pot stop. What she said? Stop pot stop. Then the pot stopped cooking, and like that the magic porridge pot, like that the name is given. So it follows the magic words. Then only the pot stop cooking and start cooking. So what did the old woman give Tara? The old woman gave Tara one magic pot. Question 3. What did the magic pot cook? The magic pot cooked porridge. What did the magic pot cook? The magic pot cooked porridge. Question number 4. Who said do not cook pot? Who said do not cook pot? Tara's mother said do not cook pot. What she said? Do not cook pot. Question 5. Why was there so much porridge on the road? Why was there so much porridge on the road? जो दलिया है पूरे रोड पे सड़क पे क्यों फैला हुआ था? Answer 5. There was so much porridge on the road because her mother means Tara's mother, did not know how to stop the pot from cooking the porridge. How to stop the pot from cooking the porridge. Tara's mother did not know the 3 magic words to stop cooking. She knew how to cook the porridge from the magic pot, but how to stop it she did not know. She forgot the magic words. So once again we will read. Where did Tara go one day? Tara went to the forest one day. What did the old woman give Tara? The old woman gave Tara one magic pot. What did the magic pot cook? The magic pot cooked porridge. Question 4. Who said do not cook pot? Tara's mother said do not cook pot. Question 5. Why was there so much porridge on the road? Answer 5. There was so much porridge on the road because her mother did not know how to stop the pot from cooking the porridge. So dear children, complete this. Answer the following questions in your English notebook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you, students.